So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. What if I told you that in this video I am going to share some of the key strategies that can make you fluent in English faster. Now of course learning a new language takes time and becoming fluent in English in just 10 minutes or even in 15 minutes isn't realistic. We all know that, right? But with the right method you can make huge stride in a short period. That is why I would say guys, you should watch this video right till the end and I'm sure you are going to love this video. But before I dive in, so actually subscribing my channel is considered good, so that is why I want you to please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of relevant content. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so tip number one that I guys always ask you to do almost in my every single video, and that is guys reading. Yes, so first is listening, right? And second thing here I would say reading. Yes, by the way, what will improve if you do read or write, right? Guys, to be honest, you should listen more and more, is because if you guys listen more and more, then you can listen the word nicely, or if you try to speak sometimes next time, right? So you can catch the word or you can pronounce the word correctly because you have listened the word or phrases multiple times, right? So that is why guys listening is very crucial in English learning journey. And second thing is the reading, as I told you right now, right? Why reading is the important thing here, right? Actually guys, if you listen and just after listening if you guys read them, then guys the way you understand better, right? So that is why I prefer you to read along with listening. Yes guys, just after listening, make sure in a day, anytime in the day, you should reading too, especially in order for you to better understand, right? By the way, some of you guys have a question, Nakul, what do you mean by read? Where I will get anything to read in the video? Or what should I read? Reading, I mean guys, you should watch videos, transcript, and that is also you can subtitles. Means right now as you guys see, there are lots of transcript or caption here written. So while watching or while listening, if you want, you can repeat after me, right? Whatever I am speaking here, you should repeat after me so that you also can pronounce the word or phrases correctly. And the way you also can express your thoughts while speaking, if you guys do the same thing what I ask you to do. And as a bonus, while reading you will help from word meaning, right? There are lots of word meaning or phrases you will see, right, while reading for the first time. So while reading, if you are not sure, you can jot it down while reading, right? So then sometimes when you will be free, you can find out the meaning of the particular word that you are writing in the copy, right, while watching. And also not just you will get to see the word, also you see the context, where should I use the word and which context I use the word, right? And also if you guys want to write its phrase along with the word for better understand, you also can do that, right? So that is why guys I would say while reading you should jot it down into your copy so that you can review it later. So while watching or while reading the video, if you guys jot it down into your copy, it will help a lot, because sometimes you can review them later, right? And reviewing is something that can make you fluent in English actually, right? And actually this is kind of a technique, or this is kind of a key strategy that I personally do. So that is why guys I suggest you to do, right? Because you guys see, while reading, if you guys not sure about the word, any word or phrases, you not just see the word, also along with you get to see the phrase, right? And if you guys write the phrase with the word that you are not sure about it, so writing with its sentence or phrase is more beneficial, right? So that is why guys choose the way I ask you to do. Okay, so last but not the least, and that is guys consistent. And consistent is something that is always asked you to do. You guys see there are lots of YouTube videos on YouTube on this topic. Consistency is something that can make you fluent in which context you are learning English, right? Not just learning, whatever you are doing. If you want to get success faster, you have to be consistent on your progress, right? So that is why also I would say consistent is very crucial thing in your journey, no matter what you are learning, right? Okay, so I think that's all for today. If you guys have any question, and also by the way, even I don't know how to speak fluent English, so that is why I would say I have made a lots of mistakes in this video, but yeah, I'm sure while editing I will got a lots of my mistake, right? I will got my mistake while editing, but I know some mistakes are allowed to everybody, right? So that is why doesn't matter if I have made some mistake or not, right? Okay, so if you guys liked it, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel again, I would say. And that's all for today. And if you want, please give it a comment so that I can reply you and I will give it a heart, right? Okay, so that's all for today, and bye bye.